Hello everybody, how's everything? I hope it's okay. This is the first video for me. At the beginning, let me introduce myself. My name is Marwa. I'm a teacher of English, and I start to do this video for differentiating between some phonics and the letters in English. That's to start reading correctly, especially with the early years kids. We all know that English has sounds and letters. We are going to know the difference between the phonics or phonemes and letters. We already know that the alphabets from A to Z. We know that this is the name of the letter, and each letter has its own phoneme or sound. For example, if I see this letter, at the beginning, I should know that it's a sound, and try to read the word with the sound, not with the name of the letter. It's apple, apple. And if we see this letter, we have to recognize that the sound is b, ball, ball. So the phonic sound here is b, but its name is letter B. And it's better to know the sound and the phonic of the letter at the beginning to start reading, because reading concentrates on blending sounds together to read the whole word first. Let's move to k sound. This is k sound. K, cat. K, cat. And its name is C. K is for C. Its name C. The sound is k, and the letter is C. We say k, cat. We don't say C, cat. We say k, cat. Next, here's what sound? It's the duck. The duck. The sound is d, and the letter is D. D for D. D for D. Duck. It's your turn now. Let's try one more time. This is apple. Adam. Ant. Yeah, what's next? This is ball. Bag. Banana. What's next? This is cat. Cat. The last one is da sound. Duck. Dog. Door. So we learn first the phonics or the phonemes of the letters, starting with a, b, k, d, and so on till the end of the alphabet, till Z sound. And from the beginning, we start to blend each sound to read the word, like in the word cat. When we know that we have the k sound, and we already know the a sound, and later we will know the t sound, we can mix them together so fast, like k, a, t, cat, and read the word correctly. And that's we really need to teach our kids and our beginners how to read correctly and simply. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can like, share, and subscribe with Marwa. Bye.